So this is something I enjoy consistently. Real payout from both Nigerian and international companies I invested in. Now it should not come as a shock because you can do it. Many Nigerians still think investing is only for rich or financial gurus, but you don't need millions or a finance degree to start. In this video, I will show you 5 beginner-friendly investments in Nigeria. Now this is simple, low risk. Here's a real dividend slip. It is not magic, it is just smart money moves. Before we dive in, let's break down a few terms that may seem intimidating. Investment is putting your money in a place where you can grow or earn more. Interest is the extra money you earn from your investment, quite different from your dividend. I'm coming to that place. So your capital is the starting amount you invest. And let me tell you something, you can actually start investing today with just 1,000 naira or $1. It is very much, very possible. So bond is a loan you give to the government or companies and they pay you back with interest. Remember, I said interest is the extra amount you earn from your investment. Treasury bills is a short-term loan to the Nigerian government. This is a pool of money managed by experts who invest for you. Mutual funds. Of course, fintech apps are platforms, mobile platform that lets you invest easily. Yield or return is the percentage of profit that you earn. Sometimes you hear 100% ROI, 20% of ROI. This means return on investment. So this is the ogak pata of it, or risk level. The likelihood of losing or gaining from an investment. And I will tell you for a fact that this is one of the reasons people don't even go into investing. They believe they're going to lose. They believe they're going to lose their money. And out of fear, they withdraw. But I tell you that if you don't take risks, you would never go far. While getting straight into a video. So we are delving into low risk investment packages for you. Number one. So SJM bond is a loan you give to the Nigerian government for 2 to 3 years, and in return they pay you interest every 3 months. Now, simple straight point about this particular investment package, you can start from 5,000 naira only, and it's very beginner friendly. You earn 16% to 19% annually. Now, payment is made quarterly every 3 months. At maturity, your capital is returned in full. Now, this is backed by the federal government, so it has very low risk, low risk, and it's only open for a few days. You have to stay alive. I think for July you should be looking at 7th to 11th. You can subscribe through apps like AfriInvestor, iInvest, or banks, and can be used to structure monthly cash flow if done in cycles. Now this is perfect for passive income lovers, and it is great if you don't want to monitor daily market changes. So treasury bills, short form T-bills, is another safe option, but for shorter period like 3, 6, or 12 months, that's a year. Now, this is a short-term loan to the Nigerian government, and it is sold at a discount and paid in full at maturity. Now, for example, you pay 90,000 naira and you get 100,000 naira in 365 days. Now, your profit is paid upfront, not at the end, and the minimum amount for this is 100,000 naira. You can do this through secondary market. This is extremely low risk and tax-free returns. You can buy this through banks or investment apps like Optimus, and the interest rates vary but usually range between 9% to 11%. Now, one exciting thing about this particular investment package is that you can resell this before maturity. Now, if you need cash urgently, you can sell them before maturity. Now, this is trusted by banks, corporations, and wealthy individuals. So if you're looking for something that you can actually go into with very low risks, this is a good option. So, fintech apps are mobile apps that lets you invest with ease. No paperwork, no stress. Before now, a lot of persons struggle with investing, but then fintech apps are here to make things or life easier, or investment per se easier for us all. Now, you can start with as little as 1,000 naira, and apps like Pvest, Carrywise, Optimus by AfriVest makes this simple. Now, you can earn 13% to 20% annually depending on the plan. Now, they help you save in naira or dollar. You can choose flexible or locked saving. You can set your savings target. Say for example vacation, school, and emergency funds, etc, etc. Now, you track your money with in-app graphs and charts. This All of the fintech apps are reputable and they are regulated by the SEC, that is the Securities and Exchange Commission. Some of them allow automated saving, daily or monthly debit. And I will tell you something: if you want to if you are building discipline, this is great for you. And if you have long-term goals, this is beautiful for you. Now, if you don't want to pick investment yourself, individual investment to be precise, you can try this. You can let professionals manage it for you. This is what we call the mutual fund. Now, you can start from 5,000 naira in many cases. Your money is combined with others to form a fund. It is then invested in bonds, T-bills, or stocks by experts. Calm down, we're going to go into stocks very soon. That's like the friendliest, the best for me. Now, this is safe and ideal for those new to investing. And the common types are, we have the MMF, the money market funds, we have the equity fund, and we have the balanced fund. Now, for the money market fund is low risk and it gives you steady returns. And you can access this through ARM, Stanbic IBTC, Meristem, and many more. Now, your returns are not fixed, but usually 5% to 10% for low risk fund. So mutual fund is suitable for students, entrepreneurs, and young professionals. Now, you can withdraw anytime depending on your fund type. This is the most interesting investment package for any kind of beginner stocks. I went into stocks in 2023. That was my first investment online. I'll tell you, you can do that too. Now, stocks are small pieces of a company that you can own. So imagine you're using an Apple phone, you're using an iPhone produced by Apple. You can buy stocks of that company. They make money from you, you make money from them, 50-50. Everybody's happy. Now, when the company grows, your money grows. Now, people invest in stocks to build wealth over time. You can earn money in two ways: selling high or getting dividends. But I'll tell you not to sell. Before you sell high, be careful. It is best that you receive dividends. Dividends are payouts that you get when the company makes profit, and this is so beautiful and interesting. This is quite different from the interest that you make at the end of the day. This interest is what you can actually withdraw, reinvest, and stack again. Now, your stocks can go up and down. You should be very careful. You should know that it goes up and down, and this is part of the game. You have to start with companies that you know and trust. For example, if you use Dangote Sugar, I know almost everybody uses Dangote Sugar. You can start investing with Dangote Sugar. Use beginner apps like Bamboo, Chaka, or Trove. Don't put all your money in one place. Diversify. Let your money work for you. Start small, stay consistent, and be patient. These are investment. Invest wisely. Now, you can buy stocks for as low as 1 naira, 2 naira, 3 naira, 4 naira, 5 naira in that category. You can, with 1K, you can acquire as much. So this is your sign to stop saying, I will start when I have more money. Oh, I want to save more. Oh, I want to. Salaries started rolling in from last week. In fact, today's the end of June, so you can start. Some of you will still get your salaries today, so do well to invest a little 1K, a little 5K, a little 2K. If you're earning and you're saving, like most of us do, I know 80% of us have savings. You should also be investing, no matter how small. You can start with 1,000 naira. Listen, 1,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, and grow consistently. Real Nigerians are doing it, and I will tell you, I am proudly one of them. Just like my dividend slip show. Like, comment, and share this video if it made investing easier to understand. And do not forget to subscribe for weekly content on how to build wealth smartly from Nigeria.